Have you ever been stuck at the airport in South America because of a delayed or canceled flight? Did you know you might be entitled to compensation? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to claim compensation if your flight was delayed, canceled, or even overbooked in South America. First, it's important to understand your passenger rights. If you're flying in or out of South America and your flight gets delayed for several hours, you might qualify for a payout depending on the situation. Many people don't realize they're entitled to money back, and airlines don't always make it easy to know this. So what can you do? One easy way to get started is by using a service like Compensair. They specialize in helping people just like you get the compensation they deserve without the hassle of dealing with airlines directly. All you need to do is submit some basic details, and they handle the rest. To get started, click the link in the description, and you can begin your claim today. Once you've entered your flight information, Compensair will handle contacting the airline and fighting for your compensation. If you're eligible, you could receive money for your delayed, canceled, or overbooked flight. It's a simple, stress-free process that could put money back in your pocket. So don't wait. If you've had any flight issues recently, go ahead and check your eligibility. Click the link in the description, follow the steps, and let Compensair help you claim what's rightfully yours. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and get started on claiming your compensation.